Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. Thank you. Okay, welcome to Ambadi Online Tutorial. Welcome to my new video. Okay children, today I am going to teach you phonic sound. What is the phonic sound? Yes, you want to learn English words and sentence. You want to read alone. Okay? Is it okay? Yes, you want to read. So, what you want to do? First step is you want to learn the phonic sounds. Okay? Okay, what is phonic sound? We pronounce the English alphabets. Okay? First, we want to know how many letters in English alphabets. Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabets. Okay, all of you know? Yes, very good. Okay, then. Okay, what is the first letter? Yes, A is the first letter. The phonic sound of A is A. A for aeroplane, A for apple, A for animal. Okay, now understood? Yes, very good. Okay, then the second letter B. Okay, what is the phonic sound of B? The phonic sound of B is B. B. B, ball, bat. Okay? Then, next letter C. Yes, very good. C. What is the phonic sound of C? K. C for cat. C for camel. C for camera. Then the phonic sound of C is K. Okay? Understood? Yes. Then next letter. Yes. D. See, I am writing here. D. What is the phonic sound of D? Yes. D. D for D. Dog. Doll. Understood? Yes. Very good. Okay. Then next phonic sound. What is the letter next? Yes. E. Okay. E. Okay. Then what is the phonic sound of E? Yes. The phonic sound of E is A. A. E for egg. A. Okay. Understood? Then next letter. Yes. F. What is the phonic sound of F? F. F. F for fan. F for fox. F for fish. F. F. Understood? Okay, children. Today we can conclude. Once more I will tell. A for A. B for B. C for K. D for D. E for A. F for F. You must learn the phonic sound. Then I will upload the next video next day. Okay? Next letters. Okay? Let's learn. First you learn this much today. Understood? Are you enjoyed the class? Yes. Very good. Okay? Bye-bye.